Hello everyone, this is Gavin from Northland Dodge, and today I'm here doing a walk around of the 2017 Ram 1500. It had a 5.7 liter Hemi engine, and it is this nice blue color. It is a little windy out here, so sorry about that, and let's get right into it. Alright, so taking a look at the key fob here, we have our unlock, our lock, and our panic button there. So let's go ahead and unlock this guy and get right in here. So open the door. We do have those power windows and locks over here, as well as the window lock there. Alright, so just gotta put this guy in the ignition and start it up here. Sounds great, and we can check out the speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge, and engine temperature over there, as well as this middle screen here is controlled on the steering wheel here, as well as your cruise control options over here. In the center console we do have your stereo, so your volume, your tuner, your play, media, radio, all that fun stuff. And we do have the climate control down here, as well as a little bit of extra storage down there. We do have this middle console here with some storage in there, and it does have your aux and USB port plug-in in there. Alright, coming around to the back here, open this up. It is nice and spacious in here. Same cloth as in the front, and these do fold up for some extra storage back here. Alright, so around to the back here, the tailgate. Open this up. We do have the same color as the rest of the truck in the tailgate here. And yeah, it's nice and spacious. And that does it for my walk around of the 2017 Ram 1500. If you had more questions or just want to come test drive this bad boy, come on down to Northland on Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.